Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use if statement in Microsoft Excel. Let us get started. Type this formula here, equal if this cell is apple, give me true, otherwise false. Here, because this cell is apple, it gives us true. Because this cell is not apple, it's orange, it gives us false. Let us try with another function of x. Again, equal if this cell less than 100, it gives us less than 100 here. Otherwise, it gives us greater than or equal to 100. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.